Let's hop aboard the 1990 Vibroplex presentation model, a beautiful bug. And let's talk to my buddy Jim, WB0RLJ, out in Omaha, Nebraska. I'm really glad I got one of these on video. This is a common occurrence where I'm sending my call sign, but the activating station doesn't have a clean copy on my call. Now, Jim is probably the single most likely person to have a clean copy on my call because I've worked him more than any person on planet Earth, and he's one of the best CW ops I've ever met. The reason he's having issues with my call is likely due to, one, noise, which is called QRM, somebody sending on top of us, or just band noise. Two, I have a weak signal. Or three, a fading signal. Jim giving me a 599 tells me he was dealing with likely some QRM.